Innovation is the only sustainable form of differentiation. Hi, welcome to this episode of NTT.com DD's Innovation News Updates. My name is Pang Ming Kiat. Today, we will continue to show you the demo on Tufin. Use case 2, fully shadow and redundant rules cleanup. Let's have a look on the problem. Redundant security policy could appear in the same device due to lack of proper documentation and governance put in place. This redundancy would sometimes pose problems to the networks. Here is a solution to address the problem. Tufin Secure Track, which does security policy assessment coupled with secure change, which will invoke a series of workflow once a request ticket has been submitted, can be used to optimize security policies that needs to be optimized within the network. Secure change has the intelligence to know the proper commands and parameters to be used to optimize various security policies for a multi-vendor network security environment. In the previous demo, Tufin has detected some redundant rules in one of the security devices. We are going to show you how to remove fully shadow and redundant rule by creating a ticket request which will invoke a series of workflow. Once the ticket has been created, it will then route for business approval, and once approved by the SOC heads, the ticket will be routed to SOC Team 1 members to carry on the rule cleanup. Now, let's go for the demo. After logging into Tufin Secure Track, and we could see that is a fully shadow and redundant rule. Go to Rule Viewer, we could see all the rules that discovered by Tufin. Let's find the redundant rule by applying the filter. Select the redundant rule and submit a decommission request. Put in a name for the tickets and select the remove rule and workflow. This is the workflow that I have pre-configured from Tufin Secure Change Rule Decommission Templates. Click on this. It will bring us to Tufin Secure Change. Log in with my credential as a requester. Here is the ticket request draft. Click on Submit to raise the ticket request. The ticket request raised. Next step is the business approval, which is routed to head of SOC. Let's review the workflow before proceed with the approval. This is the workflow I'm currently using for this demo. Step 1. Submit request. Any participant has got the request right is able to submit the request. Step 2. Business approval is assigned to group of SOC heads. Step 3. Design implementation and verification is assigned to group of SOC Team 1, and it will automatically assign to their team members on this group. Let's continue the business approval. This is the client endpoint that has all email accounts configured. This is the SOC head mailbox, and you will receive an email notification from Tufin for the assigned task. Also with the ticket request information and a link to proceed for the approval. Let's move back to my previous browser to log out my account and log in with SOC head credential. This is the assigned task, and click in to review and approve for the ticket request, and you will be routed to next step. Let's go back to my client endpoint to check the email account for the firewall admin 1. This is one of the member of SOC Team 1. Notification email received for the assigned task, and a link to proceed for the approval. Return to my previous browser and log out the current account. Log in with Firewall Admin 1 credential. This is the Assign task, and click in to review the task. This is the policy that we're going to remove on the device. Click on Designer, and Tufin Secure Change will generate the required commands based on the task. Click on Commands, and this is the command to remove the rule. Click on Update to execute the change. A tick mark will be shown once completed. Next step, verifications. Click on Verifier to verify the change has been successfully completed. This is the status shown once successfully verified. Click on Done to close the ticket request. Move back to Grant Endpoint to check the requested mailbox, and an email notification from Tufin shows the task has been completed. Let's go to Tufin Secure Track to verify the redundant rule has been removed. Click on Dashboard to check the fully scheduled and redundant rule is showing 0. Click on Rule Viewer and apply the filter. No more redundant rule is listed. Alright, that's all I would like to show in this episode. Thank you very much.